Hello friends, in this video we will see how to invite our friend in PhonePay and how to earn money. So for that, first of all, open PhonePay in your mobile. Yeah, open PhonePay in your mobile. After opening, in the main screen you see that refer and earn 100 rupees. So here press it. For each refer 100 rupees. So you can invite through WhatsApp, SMS, email and more. You can invite through uh, email, Gmail, etc. So now you can invite. For example, I am inviting from WhatsApp. I am inviting my friend. I am inviting my friend. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, done. Okay, friends. In this video, we can see how to refer. So in this way, we have to refer our friend, and we can earn the money from the PhonePay. Thank you, friends.